Dave app Reddit discussions usually focus on a few common topics: cash advances, membership costs, customer support experiences, and whether the app works well for everyday money problems. By the end, you'll know the main positives and complaints people commonly mention about Dave, what to check before using it, and how to decide if the app fits your situation. Section 1. What people like about Dave. Many users discuss Dave as a tool for accessing money before their next paycheck. The main appeal is convenience, because the app is designed around short-term cash flow needs rather than traditional borrowing. People who have positive experiences often mention that the app is easy to use and that features like account tracking and cash advance options can help when timing between expenses and income becomes difficult. If you are considering Dave, check the available features directly in the app and understand any membership requirements or fees before using the service. Section 2. Common complaints in Reddit discussions. Negative reviews often focus on situations where users expected a specific result but experienced something different. Common discussion points around financial apps included account issues, repayment questions, support experiences, and changes to available features. A complaint about a financial app does not always mean the same issue affects every user. Individual experiences can depend on account status, eligibility, linked bank information, and how the service is used. Before relying on Dave for an important payment, review how repayment works, and make sure the timing fits your budget. Section 3. What to check before using Dave. First, understand the cost. Review any membership fees or optional charges shown in the app before signing up. Second, understand repayment. A cash advance is not extra income, and you need to know when repayment will happen from your account. Third, read recent user experiences while comparing them with official information from Dave. Online reviews can show common concerns, but your account experience may be different. The main points are simple. Reddit users discuss both convenience and frustrations with Dave. Individual experiences can vary based on account details, and understanding costs and repayment before using the app helps avoid surprises. Your next step is to check Dave's current terms, review the features available for your account, and decide whether the service matches your financial needs. If this guide helped you understand Dave app reviews, like the video and subscribe for more app comparison guides.